Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But for mac and cheese, you actually want to cook it for a couple minutes less, until just before reaching al dente. The pasta should still be slightly firm with some bite. Don't worry, it will soften up during the second part of cooking.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You either have to make the bechamel much wetter or just run your dish under the broiler to brown. Rather, baking dries it out a lot. You either have to make the bechamel much wetter or just run your dish under the broiler to brown rather than baking for any length of time in the oven.
Take our lead.
Add 1 tablespoon of milk per cup of mac and cheese and mix to incorporate as much as possible. Asterisk if you'd like to add more creaminess and flavor, substitute half and half or cream. 3. Cover the dish with aluminum foil and place in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, or until heated through.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Cook your noodles in milk instead of water. Cooking your noodles in milk instead of water makes your resulting mac and cheese creamier. According to the kitchen, cooking your noodles in milk instead of water makes the sauce creamy before you even add the cheese sauce.
Take our lead.
Not at all. Baking it gives it a crunchy texture on top of the creamy texture that some people like, but it's in no way required. I mix some breadcrumbs and butter together, then sprinkle on top before I bake it. Makes a crispy topping.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The best types of cheese. Sharp cheddar. The king of all cheeses when it comes to coating your noodles. Gouda. Gouda is a seriously underrated cheese when it comes to cooking. Gruyere. Despite it being a hard cheese, Gruyere still melts beautifully. Cream cheese. Brie. Goat cheese. Parmesan.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Boil the macaroni for 3 minutes after the pasta is al dente, which means cooked but still firm. You want the macaroni to be soft. Place it in a casserole dish, then add the tomato sauce and grated cheese. Distribute the butter in tablespoons throughout the dish to keep the macaroni moist.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.